Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2023 RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime offers high-end hybrid technology with the SUV platform. With the technology, space, and overall good looks, it's no surprise this hybrid SUV is turning heads.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.